Hi guys, good afternoon. It is Friday morning and look at my bed. So Keith and I are just packing because we are going to Birmingham for the weekend, just a getaway. We've got reservations tonight at a really swanky restaurant. I'm really excited, you guys, because we stay home all the time. Well, we're gonna go to Restoration Hardware and I'm looking for some tables and a lamp. So I'm wanting to spruce the house up just a little. Maybe a glider. We might go some outdoor furniture store. I need a glider. Anyway, just do a little bit of shopping tomorrow. It's just a getaway, really. I might go to Louis Vuitton and just look around. There's really nothing I want. The only thing I can think of is one pair of earrings, and I don't even know if they'd have them. But I don't know. It's really just a getaway. And so, yeah, I'm just checking in with you guys. And here's my look. Well, it's just a pair of cargo pants, a tank top, and we'll put a little denim jacket over it. I got these cargo pants at Walmart, the ones I showed you guys. So anyway, I will check you later. Check you later. Oh, I just thought of something I need to tell you guys. So I'm going back to 2 days a week videos because 3 is just too much. I was trying, but it's just too much. So anyway, so starting next week, my videos will be out on Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday and Saturday, unless something happens, but that's gonna be the new schedule. That's gonna be the new schedule. Anyway, so let me finish getting ready and we'll be on the road. Hi guys. Okay, so why do my sunglasses look crooked? Okay, so we're in Birmingham. The traffic's getting thicker. And we're gonna check in our hotel in a bit and we might go to the summit, and we still have what, about 4 hours? We have a reservation tonight at 6, so we'll, you know, what am I trying to say?
Find something to do.
We'll find something to do until then. Thanks, Keith. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing Hermes red lipstick today. Bam. Hey Keith,
Yeah.
what do you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
Bam. You guys, guess what just happened? Oh yeah. So I went in there to look at the sack plat, so I'll give you guys a little clue. And I didn't get it because it's actually even smaller than I thought. And it has like absolutely no closure, which it was super cute, I thought. But anyway, look at my lips when I take off my mask. Okay, so I found something else that I've been wanting. So there's a hint for you guys. I don't have anything like it, not in a luxury brand. So let's just put it that way. You guys want to guess what it is? Take a little guess. But I'm super excited about it, you guys. So excited. I love it. I'm so happy. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Keith.
You're welcome.
Keith's so sweet. Hey, Keith, do you have anything to say?
What do you want me to say?
All right, so we're just gonna chill a little bit and then I'm gonna change clothes and we're gonna go eat. I didn't want to vlog in there, you guys, because it's kind of annoying. I mean, it's like, I don't know. I just wanted to look around because I don't live near a Louis Vuitton and I don't get to just go in Louis Vuitton whenever. So I just wanted to enjoy myself. Just didn't feel like vlogging. So it's really annoying. Okay, so I'll check you guys in a bit. I will insert a picture of me standing outside of here in Birmingham. The Louis Vuitton store is in the Saks Fifth Avenue. They used to have a Gucci, but it's gone. So they need to bring that back. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so you guys, here's my outfit. Do you guys remember when I unboxed this little American Eagle skirt? It's corduroy and it's super short. Gonna have a little leg action tonight. And just this really cute little black knit top, and what's so cute about it are the sleeves. They are pleated and real flowy, and then I've just got some black tights and these Sam Edelman really cute croc looking boots. So I'm gonna wear that, and that is my cute little outfit for tonight, and a leather jacket. And you guys, I told Keith, I said, you don't have to dress up, just last night I was like, pack some jeans and a nice white shirt and just a sports jacket. I mean, that's all I ask, right? Well, guess what he packs? Just a short sleeve shirt and a pea jacket. Do you call it a pea jacket or a pea coat? Did he pack a sports jacket? No. Did he pack a white shirt? No. Keith, what do you have to say about that?
Nothing. What do you want to say?
Look, Keith, tell everybody what you have to say.
Nothing.
And let me tell you what he did. Okay, he's pretending that he doesn't remember me saying that. I said, I just want you to look nice just one night, okay? I mean, he always looks nice, but you know what I'm saying. Like, we're going to a real nice restaurant, one of the nicest in Birmingham, and he doesn't even have a sports jacket. Keith. If you ever want a husband that dresses up, don't marry one that grew up in Florida, because he's all about shorts, flip-flops, not flip-flops, Birkenstocks. I don't even want to say this. Okay, so over the weekend, Keith and I, we had a little getaway, and I started vlogging it, and then it just, I don't know, it just fell through because I wasn't feeling it. I think because Keith and I, we haven't been anywhere really, and so I wanted to be in the moment, and I wanted to share it with you guys, but I wanted to be in the moment with Keith, so the vlog fell through. But this is a part of what happened this weekend. This is a gift from Keith. I was not expecting this at all. We went to Louis Vuitton while we were in Birmingham, and honestly, I went in there for a pair of earrings. I cannot even remember what they're called, but they're Louis Vuitton hoop earrings, and I will insert a picture so you guys can see them. I wanted to see them in person because I really like them a lot, and I wanted to, you know, check them out and possibly buy those. That's the only thing I had in mind. Well, wait a minute, that's a lie. There is one other thing I had in mind. I wanted to look at the sack plaque because I've been thinking that I wanted that for the summer. And Winnie did a video on it, and I told, that was a request from me. But you guys, when I went in there to see it, it was smaller, really smaller than I thought that it really was. I knew it was small, but there's no closure, and I was wanting it for the summer for going to the beach and, you know, just a little travel bag, and Keith wasn't having it. I mean, I love to take him luxury shopping with me because he has really good taste. Believe it or not. I don't mean that in a bad way, but he really does choose really nice things for me. So he was like, I don't like that. And you know, I was this close to buying it. I was just gonna buy it for myself because I had it in mind. I've been thinking about it for a few months. But anyway, then I came across this, which also this is something that I've been thinking about, but a little bit different. So I'll explain all that in a bit. But Keith said, if you choose this one, I'll buy it for you, but I'm not buying that one. He said it looked like a paper sack. Okay, so, all right, so now, oh, my bag of the week, you guys, is my Kurt Geiger So Black. I love this bag so much. It has the shiny stones. It's just so pretty. It comes in red, it comes in white, and this is the first time that I've actually carried this bag. It is so soft and so lightweight. I love it, you guys. These Kurt Geiger bags are the bomb. Another story time. It's very quick, and okay, so I've been a YouTuber for almost 3 years. I have been recognized one time in all that time. And it was exciting, I can't lie, it really was. But my husband was like, oh wow, you're famous. But it was last year at Christmas. We were in Birmingham and we were shopping in the Galleria. And I was standing in line, and there was this pretty little girl standing there looking at me, and I noticed that she was staring at me a lot. But, you know, I didn't think much about it. Well, I really did, but anyway, I was thinking, what's she staring at? But anyway, she just kept looking at me. She said, excuse me? She said, I feel like I know you. And I was like, oh, really? And she was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I know you from somewhere. And I was like, oh, well, I don't live here in Birmingham. And she's like, no, that's not it. And she just kept looking at me, and she looked me up and down, where she looked down at my bag, and maybe that's just what triggered something. And she said, oh my gosh. She said, do you have a YouTube channel? And I was like, yes. And she was like, YotaStyle. And I was like, yes. And she said, oh my gosh, I'm subscribed. I watch you all the time. I was like, really? And I don't know, it was really thrilling. And my husband's standing there like, I was thrilled, you guys. I was so thrilled. I mean, it's only happened one time, but it was exciting. So I felt like a celebrity, just, you know, just for a sheer moment in time. I felt like I was a celebrity. But it was fun. It was fun. It was lots of fun. So if you guys ever recognize me out, don't hesitate to talk to me. I'll sign autographs. I'm all about signing autographs. Let's get into the unboxing, you guys. I don't have a lot of time today, as usual, every day. Busy, busy. Okay, so like I said, we went out of town this weekend, and I went into Louis Vuitton, #1, to look at the sac plat. I was pretty sure I was going to get it, but, or that's what I had in mind, and I wanted to look at some earrings. Well, that didn't happen, but this happened, okay? And this was a gift from Keith. I had no intentions or thought that he would buy anything for me because, you know, my birthday's coming up, but he really liked this, and when he likes something, he lets me know. And so anyway, I'm really excited, and it's not really a impulse buy. It's something that I've wanted, only it's a little different version of it. I was wanting a monogram one, and I found the empreinte. So there's a little clue for you. So let's go ahead and open up this box. And so when I showed this on my Instagram, everybody's like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what you got. So actually, today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, and I got this on Friday. You guys, I haven't seen it since. Okay, so here we go. Open up the box. And you know what? I might have to change my bag of the day now. I haven't even carried that, and I already went. So it is packaged up quite nicely, and here it is. It's not really big. How about you guys taking a guess? What do you guys think this is? In a way, I feel like the shape of the dust bag kind of gives it away. And if you know me, you might have some idea. Okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton bum bag in the empreinte leather. In the empreinte. Oh dear. Okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton bum bag in the empreinte leather. It's got the handle on top. I really love that feature. I do. I love a handle on top, or a top handle bag. It's got the back pocket. I didn't realize that it had the back pocket, you guys. So open it up, very buttery. It's got that beautiful mustard color interior, that soft microfiber suede, whatever it is. And then this, even though it's got this here, because when I first saw it, I was confused. Not confused. I was concerned. But it is so buttery to open it up, so easy, because I had the Pochette, not the Pochette Matisse, you guys! I had the backpack that had that lip on it, and I hated it so bad, I gave it to my daughter. That sounds really bad. Okay, so, but it opens up very easily and smooth. It's not super big. I mean, it's not like I can put my head in it, but I think it would hold quite a bit. Especially, I told Keith, this is a great travel bag because I could throw this down in a Neverfull or a larger backpack or something like that, and then just get this out for sightseeing. And when I saw this, I thought, well, it is kind of small. Well, I had always thought that I wanted the monogram one, but I don't know. I love empreinte leather, and I don't have to worry about vachetta. Even the treated vachetta, it does darken. So I don't know. I'm just not a vachetta fan, but I love this. I'm so glad because Keith said, I like that. And see, it's adjustable. And he said, if you'll get that, And not that other bag. The sack plat, he said it looks like if you go in the liquor store, this is what Keith said. You go in the liquor store and you get, you know, a pint or something, they put it down in a little sack so nobody will know that what you have in there. What? That was what he thought the sack plat looked like. So he said, if you don't get that and you get this one, I'll pay for this, but I'm not paying for that. And I was like, okay. He didn't have to pull my leg. He didn't have to beg me or anything. So, but I do love it, and I've been wanting a luxury bum bag. You guys know I have the Thacker bum bag, and I love it, but I'm thrilled with this. So my battery's going dead, you guys. So I'm gonna do a first impressions next week on this bag. I just wanted to open it up, show you what I got, and I'm gonna say goodbye before my battery completely plays out on me. But I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Let's get to 4,000. I'm dying to give that bag away. If I don't give that bag away pretty soon, I'm gonna have to keep it myself. So there you go. Tell your family, your friends, your neighbors, everybody you know to subscribe, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye. Here I go. I didn't taste it. You gotta film me tasting it. Oh, okay.